Babe, I'm heading to town. Big deal closing today.
Of course, Kwame. Drive safe. One day, the truth will speak. Kwame, when will you be done with that boring wife?
Soon, baby. I just need more time. She depends on me.
Depends. Please, without you, she'd fade.
When all this becomes ours, life will be sweet.
To our future. So you have been cheating on me with my best friend. So this is the truth. I see everything now.
Mrs. Mensah, you are the sole owner of all listed properties. This includes the mansion, vehicles, and business shares.
Yes, I want my husband's legal access removed quietly.
Are you certain you want to proceed immediately?
I have never been more certain.